8 GB graphic card, Pilot brand RTX3050.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the unit Pilot brand RTX3050 nvidia graphic card 8 GB. You can see this is the box of model Pilot brand RTX3050 8 GB graphic card. So I am going to install in the Lenovo PC, ThinkStation PC with 500 power supply computer. Just unbox the unit now. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. In this video I'm just going to show you what are the connection it has this model and what are the things in this box, user manual, and you can see the 2-fan graphic card inside. You can see comes with a 2-fan, and this is the side look. Let's see what are the connections. One display port and HDMI and one DVI port, 24 plus 1. So this one required 6-pin power to use. It's a very small graphic card, 8 GB, Pilot brand, 3 outputs. So inside the box they is not given any cable for this power, so we need to connect from our PC power supply. Let's upgrade this graphic card in this PC. This is a ThinkCenter, Lenovo ThinkCenter PC. So in this first slot we are going to upgrade. Slowly fix, and it comes with power, 6-pin power kit. So Lenovo ThinkCenter P2 model, Core i7 13th generation PC, 500 watts power supply. It comes with extra power on this for graphic card. So this graphic card fixed in this ThinkStation PC. You can say this is a graphic RTX3050. Here you can see 8 GB dedicated. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.